In this video, I will show you how to create sale flyer template in Microsoft Word document. So guys, you can get ready to use template in Microsoft Office and make changes as your requirement. Click on File, then New, and here click on Flyers. So you will find sale flyer here. Select it and create. Wait for a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. Exit and you can insert any picture here, remove and insert another picture. You can remove background from your picture. Double click on it and remove background. Click on keep changes or select another picture. You can change text, time, address, color. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.